The first actual difficulty was that the cost. That was the main issue because, of course, we had modems, connected to the internet requires some um, fixed line connectivity with an international line. Our first connection was to the University of Maryland in the US. And to get access to that, we needed to purchase a satellite link. Satellite links, fixed satellite links were very expensive. First of all, the issue was how to get the money to pay for that link. And the nice story is that at that time, there was a NASA center here in Santiago, the Center for Space Studies of the University of Chile. There was tracking satellite tracking station for NASA that was used for launch and other communication facilities for NASA. But what they had, we thought they had some lots of communication facilities in the site because they had a lot of antennas. But actually, those were antennas to track satellites and to command satellites, and in particular, they were used also during the NASA missions. But that was not a communication center, indeed. They were purchasing actually communications, day-to-day communications from the National Telecommunications Company. It was not a communications facility. We thought at the beginning it was that, but it was not. So, but those guys had this um, satellite link. There was a permanent satellite link for their use to the US. And then, so that was to the Goddard Space Flight Center, which is in near Washington, D.C. So actually in the neighborhood of Washington, D.C. So we started to find out how we could use that line that was used for other purposes to connect to the BITNET network. And that was kind of an interesting political challenge because that line was for operational purposes of NASA. And so our friends at the Center for Space Study told us, well, guys, we don't use that line during the nights. Maybe you can use it during the night to transfer email. And we said, gee, that would be great.